Hey everyone, Sunil here with DataLocker, and I'm here to talk about the new Sentry K350 portable flash drive. Now the K350 is one of the most portable and durable encrypted USB drives that we've ever offered. And because it's from DataLocker, you know it's super easy to both use and manage. Let's take a look. First, the basics. The K350 is a small form factor encrypted USB drive. It has a storage capacity of up to 256 gigabytes and weighs just over an ounce, which means it's super portable. The K350 is also secured with military-grade AES 256-bit encryption with a dedicated XTS mode encryption module. And the entire device is FIPS 140-2 Level 3 validated and also uses a common criteria EAL5+ microprocessor. Now with a built-in OLED display and keypad, entering complex alphanumeric passwords is super easy. Just power it on and type in your password. But what further sets the K350 apart is its durability. Now the K350 is rated for both IP67 and certified as meeting the Military Endurance Standard 810G, which goes beyond simple water immersion tests and includes rigorous vibration and impact testing. Now while the K350 is super secure and easy to use, that's not always the big challenge for a CISO or admin supporting a large distributed workforce. It's managing a whole fleet of these devices, and that's why we built the K350 to be optionally managed by Safe Console, our powerful management platform. Now, Safe Console isn't a requirement to use the K350, but it makes deploying and managing a large fleet of devices incredibly simple, giving admins a single pane of glass to manage all their DataLocker devices. Admins will get full visibility into what happens on each device with comprehensive audit and reporting capabilities. And they can see everything from physical device locations all the way down to file name changes. Now, Safe Console also gives admins the ability to remotely lock down a device. Or if a device is lost or stolen, admins have the option to either wipe the data from the drive along with erasing the encryption keys, or they can use remote device detonation to erase the data and encryption keys and functionally destroy the K350. Now, if you'd like to see how the K350 fits into your organization, request a demo or come visit us at datalocker.com to learn more.